What car is this?
The Opel Kapitan, but it works all right. The motor runs, but the control wire is broken.
That's the shit.
It broke at the top, so basically the choice was either to shorten the cable altogether or to try and thread a new wire. So I decided to thread a new wire.
Here's the Opel Kapitan. It doesn't have a brand name on the bottom.
Gama. It's a
Gama. And what Peter's done here is taken the old wire steering wheel, and it ran, but it had problems back here. And I think you cut it short, didn't you, a bit? Shorter?
No, the control wire was broken.
Broken.
And so I had to pull it out and find another wire.
And rewire.
That fitted through, which wasn't easy.
And it is, turn the wire there, Pete. I'll just show the steering working. And see, he's pulled this wire through, and it's all functional again. And it's just the wire here, and it's this roll of wire that he's straightened out a little and pulled through and cleaned the tube a bit, and it's all running.
The wire essentially turns it one way, and the spring there pulls it back.
Oh, okay. Yes, right. The spring that goes across one side to the other.
So when the pull wire relaxes, that spring pulls it back, right?
And it's all working again. How simple. How lovely, huh? Well, you can see the spring in operation right here. When he pulls it over, he lets go, it goes back. The wire doesn't push it back, the spring pulls it back.
And
very smart.
I've got to get new bulbs for here, but you can see on the wheel there, it creates a contact. There's a pin that comes through from the wheel, and as the wheel turns, it pushes that pin in.
Oh, there's a leverage.
And makes a contact here for the lights. So as the front wheel goes round, the lights are going to flash on and off.
Oh, there's a little pin there, and it goes in and out on that leverage. See that? And then it goes underneath there, and there's a contact. And that makes the lights flash. How simple. And this cantilever right, where's my finger? There it is. This cantilever on the side of the wheel is pushing this pin in and out. And it's got a little spring load on it as well underneath there, if you can see that. There we go. There's a spring on it to bring it back out again. How simple they used to make these things, and how lovely, huh? And that's Opel Kapitan Gama, isn't it? Kapitan Gama. Look at this lovely
I should run it while I'm at it too, right?
Oh.
If you hold it up, the back wheels.
Okay.
So the buttons here.
Oh, let me see the buttons there. That does the power.
Forward. And
I gotta go slowly there.
And reverse.
And reverse. Very cool. I'll do it again, Pete, so I can show there's the gears running. Isn't that lovely? All oiled up.
There's the D-size.
Oh, we did the steering wheel because it's a mechanical movement. Oh, and there's the huge 3D batteries they used to have. Are they 3D or something they're called?
Well, they're the 3D. Well,
3D.
They're new batteries, but
yeah. And this is the old style batteries you used to buy. Isn't that great? What a lovely car. We'll have to get the bulbs. We'll be away. Show it running later on, but there's the technical issues you get with these.
There's the cable for the battery, and the cable for the control goes through into here.
Into that cap, that top piece
and
there.
In this cap, there's a frame, a metal frame with ratchets on the inside, and this wheel catches on those as you turn it.
So it runs up and down.
It catches on the rackets on this ratchets on the frame, and the frame basically pulls moves backwards and forwards, pulling
the cable.
Pulling the cable.
So simple and smart. And up here, as you can see, if you don't pull the cable, you just use your finger, the way the spring always brings it back to the turning left. See? There's no cable being pulled now, but this spring here pulls this across.
Yeah,
so it's only pulling this cable, it's not doing anything else.
So when it's relaxed, it's going to turn left all the time, right?
Yeah. So if you want to go straight, you have to have it turned.
You have to hold
a little
it
bit,
to go straight. watch it go right. Otherwise, you can follow it in
And of course, the
anti-clockwise.
actual body of the car is in really good shape. It has a little couple of dinges, but that makes the look even better. And these great graphics.
And the detail on the mascot is kind of nice as well, right?
Yes. Isn't that lovely?
And on the side there,
Side, the logo.
Kapitan. isn't it?
Kapitan. And it hardly got any dents or anything.
No, it's a bit battered. Well, no,
Well,
not battered,
but
a bit scratched. And I got to find there's a hole there for I don't know what reason, and I got to find a tail light on the
tail
right.
lights. And that's it.
And
You'll be in the big money.
and a handle for the door. And there's there's trim here, and there's a bit of trim on the other side that's missing.
Oh yeah, I
See,
didn't notice
right?
that in the beginning.
But you know,
A little bit more to go. It's getting there.
the front side lights are kind of nice as well.
They are the little ones.
Yeah,
With the little bulbs in
actual
them.
glass in.
That's detail for you.